some people they say that African, okay, they are like the most family people, but I think
Indian.
After marrying an Indian lady, I got to figure out that okay, I think Indian are even the most family person. I was shocked in the beginning to when they give us okay the bedroom, like the main bedroom where they are sleeping, okay, like they host you as if you are, I mean the
main person,
I mean the president of the company, or maybe the president of the like the hospitality that they give you is amazing.
हेलो भाई, तो पिछली वीडियो में आप लोग सिर्फ तनु से मिले थे एंड मैं तनु के हस्बैंड से आप लोगों को नहीं मिलवाई थी। एंड मेरे को वीडियो देखने के बाद ध्यान आया कि मैंने सीरियल के साथ वीडियो नहीं बनाई, तो ये अगली वीडियो है जिसमें मैं आप लोगों को तनु से एंड उनके हस्बैंड से मिलवाने वाली हूँ। तो कुछ चीज़ें हम पूछेंगे, तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Indukku video special ani. So Garima, you can ask first, then I will ask.
Okay, I start.
Okay.
So first, which country did you guys meet and how?
Yes, we met in Côte d'Ivoire, in Abidjan.
Okay.
When she came for a job, I mean for a company.
For company,
I think at this time she was still working for Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra she got a contract, okay, with my company, and then we met there.
And then, okay, for me, as I know, in many African countries, it's acceptable to date other nationality or culture.
Yeah.
But about your tribe, and was it acceptable? Was it easy?
Yeah, I think on my side it was like very much easy.
Okay.
Yeah. But I was having some doubt about her side because I know that you see Indian side. It might not be
easy.
Not easy. It might not be
Sometimes not even possible.
Yeah,
Yes,
sometimes
in
not
fact.
even possible.
Yeah.
Yeah, I even told, like, when we were in a relationship, I told that he should not have much hopes because it's very much possible that no one will accept this relation.
Yeah.
So we were not like really thinking that it will go this far.
Okay.
It
But
was not really.
wow,
It
nice.
was of destiny that we met.
That's nice, guys. So, and other thing, okay, this one can be controversial. What's the extreme crazy side of dating an Indian woman?
No,
He should be the
I'm
one
sure that you know already the answer. It is the wedding. The number of days.
Number of days of
yes,
wedding?
for the wedding. I think we spent almost like what, 5
days.
Five
He was
days.
tired.
with
He
prayer
was
every
completely
day.
tired.
I was like,
He said, what are we doing? Are we
Yeah.
doing
And-
something like,
yes.
I don't know.
And on top of it, you know, you see, I'm not used to sit to cross my
To
legs
cross,
and
okay.
sit. But for the prayer, we had to.
For hours you
for-
had to
for
sit.
hours
So
we
his
have to
whole
sit. So
legs started.
in the beginning, I said, okay, let me impress my in-law family. I tried, but after 2 hours, I was completely down. I think they brought a kind of
Stool or something, yes. Okay.
on which I sat. But I mean, but it was perfect. It was just perfect because the whole family. I mean, a whole family was there.
And
so it
when you were asking your family to accept the relationship, does he have to put some effort, or it was just you who convinced
He
the
did
family?
not put any efforts. First thing, why? Because my family didn't even know who he is.
Okay.
The day we were getting engaged,
Yeah.
it's one day before my mom saw him.
ना मजाक कर रहे
No,
हो।
mazak nahi kar rahi hu. This is the truth. They knew everything through me. They were only trusting me because it was not possible for him to come and say hi. He was living continents away.
Yeah.
From India to go to Côte d'Ivoire, it almost takes 18 to 19 hours. You
Crazy,
have to take 2 flights.
Yeah.
So he will not come to say okay, hi, and then they will say okay, bye bye, we don't like you, and he will go back. It's not possible. So I was telling everything on behalf of him, and they were only trusting on me.
Yeah.
And they even decided the engagement date based on what I told them. And he only came one day before. So everyone's like, okay, this is the guy.
So they just relied.
They
in
just
the beginning
relied on me.
on her and the pictures that
The
she
pictures.
showed.
I showed only pictures. At this time, we were not even taking videos to show that, okay, this is how he speaks, this is how he is. No, it's only pictures. Photos. I used to send them only one very nice picture I have where he is not looking too African to make them believe that, okay, he's African but he's good looking.
इस बात पे I should say your mother is open minded, like very
She is.
accepting.
She
Na?
is very accepting. Otherwise, Indian mothers, they are very
Cyril
traditional.
in India, it's very crazy.
Yeah, they don't really.
Yeah, no, I know about it because I mean I got to I was reading about it,
Yeah.
and about the how wedding happened there.
Okay, and sorry to interrupt. What's the best thing also now of marrying Indian women? We have known the extreme,
Mhm.
and what's the good side of it?
Yeah, the good side of thing. I mean, what really, like, what I really like appreciate, okay, during the wedding is really the family contact.
Okay.
You see, I think Indians are really. Some people they say that African, okay, they are like the most family
yeah.
people, but I think
I think Indian,
after
eh?
marrying
Yeah.
an Indian lady, I got to figure out that okay, I think Indian are even the most family person because you know
Yeah.
when every time we are traveling,
Yeah.
okay, to a relative like uncle, auntie,
Yeah.
or cousin, okay, I was shocked in the beginning to when they give us okay the bedroom, like the main bedroom
yes.
where they are sleeping, okay, like they host you as
Yes,
if you,
yes.
you are, I mean the
Get the
president of
main
the,
person,
yes,
yeah.
I mean the president of the company,
Yeah.
or maybe the president of the like the
Hospitality.
hospitality that
Yeah.
they give you is amazing. So this is really, I mean, what has really marked me after the wedding, like the
Okay.
family contact, the family relationship.
So does this thing change to you also a bit? Did you become more family oriented?
Yeah.
Like
yeah,
than
yeah,
before?
Yeah. than
Okay.
before, yeah. I mean,
Wow.
it creates a kind of, you see,
Many things that he
Contact.
he was not doing before.
Yeah.
For family, like probably he
Gathering.
was not used to. It's not that
Yeah.
he was not doing in their culture. They are not.
And
used
I mean,
to, but now he does because he sees me.
Yeah.
So for him, it has become normal.
Normal now.
Yeah.
And same on your side. No, you also adopted, I'm sure, so many African traditions or culture.
Yeah.
So
Like the good thing with my in-laws is they've not forced me to change my culture or religion or do
Okay.
something completely,
this
different.
is good side of African culture side, that they're more easygoing.
No, but some people, some African
Some-
family, they would like to not
Control.
Yeah, they
yeah?
would like to say that okay, as you are here now, you should be following our tradition
Okay.
because you've married to our house. But the good thing with my mother-in-law is she, in 6-7 years, she has never ever told me only one day that okay, you should follow our tradition.
That is good.
That is the
and
best.
Yeah, look.
sometimes she's even curious to even know
No,
about,
sometimes she
about
can
her
even
tradition.
when I'm praying,
she
when I'm
she's
doing
asking
aarti,
her.
Yeah.
She comes, she takes, she puts bindi.
Bindi, yeah.
So she's very open-minded.
Okay, nice. So guys, we know some basic questions and details now, that when Indian African marry, what happens and what's the story behind. Thank you so much, Cyril.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you. And ये वीडियो भाई आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं. So guys, चलते हैं. आज लास्ट डे एक्चुअली मेरा ताना में मडगास्कर, एंड हम लोग ट्रेडिशनल यहाँ पे सोविनियर मार्केट घूमने जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि मेरे को एक जो फॉलोअर है इंस्टाग्राम के, उनके लिए कुछ ख़रीदना है, क्योंकि उन्होंने सही रिप्लाई दिया था स्टोरी का कि मैं मडगास्कर जा रही हूँ. ही वॉज द ओनली वन पर्सन हु गेव द करेक्ट रिप्लाई. सो फॉर हिम एंड फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड सम ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स, सो वील एक्सप्लोर वट वी कैन बाई इन मडगास्कर इन द कैपिटल सिटी ताना. एंड मेरे साथ भाई तनु है. तनु से हेलो.
Hello, hi, Satya, hi, JP,
सत्या हेलो. बढ़िया भाई. सत्या एकदम से बड़ा हो गया देखते देखते, एंड मैं मडगास्कर में ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीने से हूँ. इतने मज़े आए हैं भाई इस देश में, मेरे को मैं आप लोगों को बता नहीं सकती. तो वीडियो के थ्रू आप लोग समझ जाओगे. लेकिन भाई ये मडगास्कर में कैपिटल सिटी ताना में मार्केट का इलाका है. हम लोग जस्ट अभी पहुँचे हैं, एंड गाड़ी पार्किंग करने के लिए जगह ढूंढनी बड़ी मुश्किल है यार इस सिटी में. बहुत दिक्कत आई हमें, बट लेट्स गो एंड एक्सप्लोर नाउ. तनु पहले आ रखे हो इधर?
नहीं यार, हाँ,
इस
यहाँ
side?
इस एरिया में आई हूँ.
नहीं, बाजार में, मार्केट में. ओके. किस चीज़ की मार्केट है ये? सोविनियर की?
सबको मिलता है
सब कुछ. ओके.
Everything you need in life.
सही है।
वेरी चीप। जैसे इंडिया
price.
में बाजार में सब सस्ता मिलता है ना,
हाँ
यहाँ पे भी बाजार ही बोलो, यहाँ पे सब सस्ता मिलता है। और सेम चीज़ें अगर सुपरमार्केट से लोगी ना तो ऑलमोस्ट 10 टाइम्स हायर में रखते हैं। तो सारे फॉरेनर्स भी, जैसे सब नहीं आते लेकिन मोस्टली जैसे फ्रेंच पीपल है,
हाँ।
और जैसे अपने इंडियंस है, गुजरातीस है, अपन तो आदत है ना कि अपन बाजार में
हाँ।
ज़्यादा मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि
हाँ।
नेगोशिएट करके सस्ते मिले।
एंड
और मोस्टली वो लोग क्या करते हैं, जैसे आज हम आए हैं
हाँ।
तो एकदम सिंपल ड्रेस पहनो,
हाँ।
ज़्यादा ज्वेलरी वगैरह ना पहनो,
हाँ
और आओ यहाँ पे नॉर्मल किसी के लोकल के साथ आओ, ताकि बार्गेनिंग अगर आता है लैंग्वेज तो वेल एंड गुड, और
Okay.
अगर नहीं आता है तो किसी लोकल के साथ आओ, देन यू कैन हैव एवरीथिंग फॉर वेरी गुड प्राइस।
ओके
या बिकॉज इतना पैसा खर्च करके कोई मतलब ही नहीं है जब इतना सस्ते में मिल ही रहा है यहाँ,
सही
और
है।
अच्छी चीज़ें मिलती हैं।
तो चलिए भाई एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, देखते हैं हम क्या खरीदेंगे। ऑलमोस्ट मैं मोस्ट अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज़ में बाज़ार जाने की कोशिश करती हूँ एंड सेम रहता है बाज़ार, एंड थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट और अलग रहता है, बट इट्स गेटिंग क्रेजी स्लोली एंड स्लोली। सो लेट्स गो। आई हियर नाइजीरियन म्यूजिक फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम टुडे इन Madagascar. ये क्या है? पीनट। थैंक यू।
This is what the cocoa.
Coconut.
Right, coconut.
This one how much?
This is 35,000 naira. Big, small is same price.
Small also 35.
And this is 25.
ओके इसको बोलना है, इसका सही सही रेट बताएगा तो।
how
सर
much
कैंस मिल
Fine. Fine.
नो कैंस
Are they okay? Are
15,000।
they okay? It's okay.
कितना?
Right.
ओके से वो
Come choose. You can choose. Which one it is? You can choose. The color is different. This is color is marron.
ओके प्ले दिस वन,
This one?
प्ले प्ले।
Where you are from?
आई एम फ्रॉम इंडिया। ओके यस ओके
ग्लास Sí, ese glass, c'est vrai.
Oui, c'est vrai.
Et
Tout est frais.
Et c'est combien?
Ah oui. À 15 000 reais.
$2.
Ça, c'est
$2 ओके।
ఇదంతా డెకరేషన్ కి మనం పెడతాం కదా.
यहाँ पे ये स्टोन्स हैं एंड मडागास्कर में गाइस द आइलैंड इज सो रिच दैट यू कैन फाइंड डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ स्टोन्स ऑन दिस आइलैंड, सो अमेजिंग, बट इट्स डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस टू नो इफ इट्स रियल और नॉट। बट ये दुकान है स्टोन्स की, तो मैंने भाई एक ये ख़रीदा यहाँ पे, ये वॉल हैंगिंग कुछ है, और 3 ये ख़रीदे हैं, तो बढ़िया। ओके नो थैंक यू। ఓకే మెర్సీ.
మ్యాగ్నెట్స్ మీకోసం కూడా నేను కొంటాను, ఇక్కడ అయిపోయినాయి, మంచివి లేవు. సో ఇవన్నీ గరిమా కొంది, ఇవేమో తగ్గట్లేదు. సో గుడ్ బిజినెస్ ఉమెన్, ప్యూర్ బిజినెస్ ఉమెన్.
Yeah, guys, we bought fridge magnets from her. These are 10. So nice. Okay.
दूध नहीं,
बढ़िया यार।
भूख लगने लगा, कुछ नहीं खाया सुबह, पेट में।
कैसा अभी तक कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है शॉपिंग का? बढ़िया है
Full
यार,
on
वेरी
bargain.
क्रिएटिव चीज़ है एंड
Very
परफेक्टली मेड।
हाँ परफेक्ट.
एंड गाइस दिस इज नॉट
यहाँ
फ्रॉम
के
चाइना,
artisans.
दिस इज वेरी लोकल।
Yeah, here artisans, they are very creative.
Very
I must
creative,
say.
yeah.
Like all over Africa, Madagascar is one of the countries where they are most creative.
Creative locals. Yeah. What is this?
Non, je veux pas, je vais comme ça, Madagascar. C'est un cadeau pour quelqu'un.
So guys, in most of Africa, I see the things that they're selling comes from India or China, but in Madagascar, it's very local. I'm like totally shocked. I'm like, what's happening? Am I in real Africa? What's happening, you know. But I'm so impressed, and everything is made with perfection. Like the quality is top notch. So just amazing. We got some fridge magnets right now from this shop, and let's go and buy some other things.
గ్లాస్ కాదు, వీళ్ళు హ్యాండ్ పెయింట్ చేశారు బాబు. సో నేను ఇది మన వ్యూవర్స్ కరెక్ట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళ కోసం కూడా కొందామనుకుంటున్నాను. జస్ట్ ఏంటంటే ఇది చాలా చిన్నది. ఇగోండి 3 కప్స్, చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ కప్స్. ఇవి ఇక్కడ ఉన్న లోకల్ వాళ్ళు ఈ కప్పే యూస్ చేస్తారు కాఫీ ఇంకా టీ తాగడానికి. మార్నింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యాండ్ పెయింటెడ్, oil paint I guess, and it is a tin. It will not get broken.
Yeah.
It's not a glass. And here in local Madagascar people, this is what they use when in the morning they take bread, local Malagasy bread. This also I have to make you taste today.
Okay.
We will taste the local Malagasy bread, and we can also have the coffee in the same.
In the cup. Yes.
Just to have the Malagasy vibes. సో గరిమాని ఇక్కడ ఉన్న మలగాసి బ్రెడ్ టేస్ట్ చేద్దాము, అలాగే దీంట్లో కాఫీ పెట్టి తాగుతాము. చాలా ऑथेंटिक मेडागास्कर वाइब्स వస్తాయి.
सही है भाई. तो 3 कप हमने लिए हैं. ये हमें मलागासी के 5,000 रुपए के पड़े हैं गाइस. एंड बढ़िया, ये देखिए पैकिंग चल रही है.
देखो नहीं फिर नहीं लेते हैं ट्राई करता ना मार
आप लोग देख सकते हैं सब हैंडीक्राफ्ट की चीज़ें, पूरा लोकल मार्केट है. ये देखिए यार, यहाँ पे टोट बैग भी कितने इंटरेस्टिंग बने हुए हैं. बट वी डिड सो मच शॉपिंग दैट वी आर आउट ऑफ कैश नाउ, एंड व्हेन वी गो होम विल शो यू दैट व्हाट ऑल द थिंग्स दैट वी गॉट. सो क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग. आई थिंक इट्स यूनिक, इट्स नाइस. सो या बढ़िया. बाकी अब 1 बज रहा है, तो घर जाने का टाइम भी हो रहा है यार. बाज़ार में बहुत टाइम लग गया, क्योंकि बच्चा वाटी स्कूल से आ जाएंगे अब, तो we have to go home also. So yeah, let's go.
ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారన్నమాట యూనిక్ పీసెస్.
तनु 1 बज गया.
టైం ఫ్లైస్ ఇన్ మార్కెట్.
Yeah.
చాలా ఫాస్ట్ గా టైం అయిపోయింది.
So nice guys. One of the best and most comfortable market I've been to. More comfortable than Ethiopian or Kenyan.
And you can put something your chain, your earring. You can put inside.
Jewelry bowl.
कोको से बना हुआ है.
कोको लेना फ्रूट
उसको बोलो.
लेना तेरा कोको.
Next time उसको लोग पैसे खत्म है हमारे. यार कितने बुजुर्ग जनाब थे, मेरा मन था लेने का, बट अब नहीं ले सकते, हमारे कैश बिल्कुल खत्म. तनु इतनी शॉपिंग करी, कैश खत्म हो गया है.
हाँ,
कुछ नहीं बचा है. बढ़िया. ये रहे यार, ये बैग है. इतना खरीदा है
मेरे
हमने.
बैग में भी अंदर.
अच्छा और भी है. बाप रे. लेट्स गो नाउ. हमें क्या कह रही थी, दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल मार्केट आई हैव बीन टू, बेटर देन इथोपियन, बेटर देन व्हाट आई हैव सीन इन केन्या. दोज वंस आर नॉट सो कंफर्टेबल. यू हैव ऑलवेज शाउटिंग, you know. Here it's so peaceful, so relaxing, and everything made inside Madagascar. That's the best part. ये जनाब कह रहे थे वनीला खरीद लो हमसे. हम इन्हें स्टार्टिंग में मिले थे. तनु उसको कह रही मेरे पास 5,000 बचे हैं, जिसका हम ब्रेड खाने वाले हैं. वी डोंट हैव मनी लेफ्ट. यहाँ पे सो लेट्स गो. एंड today Tanu and me, we dress like homeless people. Yeah, Tanu, no jewelry, nothing. So
take that risk.
yeah, you can sometimes you can get robbed in Madagascar, and it's very real. I'm not making this up. Even the locals are telling me don't go outside like this wearing too much. So it's possible. But otherwise people here are the best. I enjoyed Madagascar so much guys. It's unbelievable. I think when I will leave this country I will cry. So one of my best trip in my life. Even after traveling 10 years continuously, this is one of the best. So everything is good guys. Let's go now. Street shops. Okay. अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं वैसे ब्रेड खाने के लिए, मलागासी ब्रेड. थैंक यू मेसी बकू। ये लोग आपको पता है झंडा क्यों यहाँ पे बेच रहे हैं आजकल? बहुत सारे फ्लैग्स लगाए हुए लोगों ने क्योंकि इंडिपेंडेंस डे आने वाला है। विच डेट इज इंडिपेंडेंस? 26th, ओके। सो 26 जून इज मडागास्कर इंडिपेंडेंस। नाइस फेस्टिवल टाइम इन मडागास्कर, बट आई विल नॉट बी हेयर। सो या, और यार मैंने आपको अभी तक ये नहीं दिखाया, मडागास्कर में इस तरह की गाड़ियाँ चल रही हैं अभी तक, इतनी पुरानी। आई फॉरगॉट टू शो यू गाइज दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, लाइक इट इज़ यूज्ड एज अ टैक्सी। आप लोग देख सकते हैं भाई कितनी पुरानी है ये। सो यहाँ पे सामने लिखा होगा टैक्सी अंतानारिवो। Like this I should have shown you in the first vlog guys itself, but apologies, I did not got time, so I'm showing you today. इतना पुराना कार आपको इस देश में देखने को मिलेगा।
500 ante INR how much? Just
10 रुपये
5 rupees.
10 रुपये, हाँ
10 rupees coconut, same price.
Oh, it's by hand.
I hope
भाई ये हाथ से गन्ने का जूस बना रहा है बंदा, हाथ से। There is no machine, there is no electricity. He is doing it with hand. Oh my goodness! Imagine the energy. Wow. बढ़िया, इसमें जिंजर भी डाला हुआ है एंड ही डिड लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क फॉर दिस। ये हमें मडागास्कर के 500 रुपये का पड़ा है, 500 रियाल, दैट्स इट।
vegetarian breakfast.
ये चावल का आटा है ना?
सिर्फ
It's
फारिन दे दी,
Yes,
फारिन दे दी,
foreign dairy, yes.
चावल का
This is foreign dairy.
राइस फ्लावर, स्वीट एंड विद अ ब्लैक कॉफी। कैसा लगा तनु? ओह सॉरी, कैसा है?
We'll go to bar, we come to Malagasy cafe.
Dairy in
इंडिया।
India, yes.
Pakaran.
He has drunk alcohol.
Yes.
Like you drink
No,
alcohol,
no,
yes.
no.
Malagasy rum.
Yes.
Yeah, Malagasy
It's true,
rum.
it's true.
It's true, actually.
But I drink a little, but
Not much.
yeah.
Ria, hello.
Hello.
How was your school today?
Good.
Good.
Yes.
And did you become friends with me or not?
Yes.
You did?
Yes.
Okay. So one day we'll meet in India, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
बताती हूँ कि आज हमने क्या क्या खरीदा है। इट्स क्वाइट अ लॉट। ऑल दीज आर लाइक फ्रिज मैग्नेट्स। सम ऑफ देम आर souvenirs, some of them are for my friends and some of them are for my followers, some of them are for myself. एंड ये मैंने भाई एक कप ख़रीदा है। आई नो ये इंडिया में भी मिल जाएगा बट ये हैंड पेंटेड है, तो मडागास्कर के लोगों ने पेंटिंग करा है एंड आई लाइक इट। ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट आप लोगों ने वीडियो में देखा था, सो दिस इज़ इंस्ट्रूमेंट। एंड ये भाई रहे मास्क, ये भी है एक। एंड ये एक्चुअली हमने 5 ख़रीदे हैं, कुछ तनु के लिए कुछ अपने लिए। तो ये टेबल पे रख सकते हो आप, स्टडी टेबल या कोई आर्टिस्ट है। एंड इस पे मडगास्कर का मैप भी है। एंड ये भी वॉल हैंगिंग है यार, सो आई टुक दिस वन ऑल्सो। दिस इज़ फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई लाइक इट। ये इसमें पेन रखने के लिए, सो नाइस। एंड ये तनु का है यार, दीज आर सम स्टोन्स। एंड गाइज ऑल दिस इज़ मेड इन मडगास्कर बाय आर्टिशंस ऑफ मडगास्कर। एंड इट्स मतलब जो उसका आर्टवर्क का पूरा एंड है ना, कि मतलब कैसे प्रोडक्ट बन रखा है, इट्स वेरी परफेक्ट। मतलब क्वालिटी बहुत सही है, ऐसे नहीं कि टूटी फूटी लकड़ी है। एवरीथिंग इज मोस्टली गुड। only this one is little light wood I feel, but these ones are very much in quality. These ones are good, but I liked it because it's like a painting. I like the design, so I'll keep it for myself. क्योंकि इसका मेरे को ना वुड का क्वालिटी इतना अच्छा नहीं है, बट मुझे पसंद आया तो मैंने ख़रीदा है। सो नाइस। चलिए मैं पैकिंग करूं। अब सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है कि इसको लेके कैसे जाएंगे इंडिया में, बट वी हैव टू सॉर्ट दैट आउट।